Welcome back to another egg fried rice video. Today we'll be trying Jamie Oliver's egg fried rice, but we'll be following Uncle Roger's advice. Please turn on the English or Chinese subtitles. To support us, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications to be the first to our newest content. Here are the ingredients. Without further ado, let's get started.
Who use olive oil for egg fried rice?
So of course, the first step of the recipe is to place the high-quality olive oil in the trash can. Next, make some rice and chill it. I made this earlier and put it in the fridge for a few hours. Let me check if I have any eggs. Oops, guess not. Luckily, I can get some more. Watch and learn, my child. That's 1. That's 2. Perfect. I have shown you the secret Asian technique to instantly produce fresh eggs. Let's put them back into the carton for later use. Double thumbs up as a reminder to hit that like button for this video. According to Uncle Roger,
First step should be garlic.
so let's cut some garlic. This is my favorite ingredient. I like to put garlic in everything. Finely chop the garlic until it becomes little cubes. Scoop the garlic into a bowl. Do your best not to spill any, just like me. Grab your spring onions because they're up next. While I'm cutting, let's consult Uncle Roger again.
Spring onion is garnish. It's garnish. You put spring onion as the last thing in your meal, not the first thing in the frying pan.
So of course, spring onions will be going into our fried rice last as garnish. Put the spring onions into a bowl. Be careful not to drop any. Since these onions will go in last, you can put them on the side after you are done. Next, grab your tofu. We'll need to cut it later.
Saucepan, hiya. Where your wok?
Here is the wok and the wok hay. Drizzle in some cheap vegetable oil over a medium-high heat. Make sure to do it in a circular pattern. Other shapes will bring dishonor to your family. As suggested by Uncle Roger, the garlic is going in first. Move it around and let it sizzle for about 30 seconds. After that, grab the chilled brown rice from earlier and dump it in. Be sure to spread it around with the garlic for about 1 minute so the flavor is evened out. Grab those 2 eggs that Mr. Chicken laid earlier and crack them into the wok. Let it cook for a bit and then break the yolks. Mix the egg into the rice, ensuring all parts of the rice receive some attention. Neglected rice is unhappy rice, and we do not want that. Drizzle in some chili oil, about 1.5 teaspoon, followed by a bit of
Sriracha,
approximately 1 tablespoon. With these, you can always add in more if you want it spicier. Never use chili jam or else Uncle Roger will appear in your nightmares. Here comes Uncle Roger's favorite, MSG. Just 1 teaspoon can add a good savory flavor to your dish. You can also add in some salt, about 1 teaspoon to make the dish saltier. Feel free to adjust your seasoning amounts according to your preferences. Real Asians do not use measurements, but we will compromise in case there are any bananas watching. Give it a nice stir to distribute the seasoning. Now let's chop up that tofu from earlier. Summon your knife like how Thor summons his hammer. Perfect tofu cubes. Cubes work well as they will retain their shape and add some texture to the fried rice. When stirring them in, do your best not to squish any of the cubes and break Uncle Roger's heart. Keep on stirring for around 5 minutes. If your wok is moving, you may want to grab an oven mitt. Oven mitt are great since they are meant to hold hot things such as the wok handle, or you. And last but not least, the spring onions. These go in last so that they won't wilt during the frying process and upset your Asian ancestors. Definitely do not give your fried rice a generous splash of water at this point. This way, Mulan won't start singing when she sees your fried rice. Excellent. The fried rice is ready to serve. Grab yourself a bowl and start scooping until the bowl is full. Place the bowl on the table followed by an upside-down plate on top of it. Flip it over and reveal the cute fried rice dome. Grab a small spoon and let's dig in. I have this nice small blue spoon, perfect for scooping up the right amount. How does the improved fried rice taste? Delicious. If you like my wok, I bought it on Amazon, Wok Hay not included. See the link in the description below. Thank you for the recipe, Җaмиеoliver and Uncle Roger. If you liked this video, check out our other video testing Auntie Hersha's fried rice and hit that subscribe button for more content. Thank you and see you next time.